Look at Johnny. He's so dreamy. I wish you would bet on me.
Becky, he won't bet on you with that kind of hair. You need perfect hair for him to want you. I don't even want to be your friend with hair like that.
But I've tried. What do I do, Jennifer?
God, Becky. Wait a second. I know the perfect thing for you. You have the Princess for just 2 short payments of $19.99. It works for any type of hair and makes your hair perfectly smooth. Come over here, Becky, and try this out.
Wow! Oh my God, the way it works. Now my hair is so silky and smooth. It makes it so perfect.
Like, Johnny is really gonna want you now.
Hey, Johnny.
Now I'm not embarrassed to be your friend anymore.
And I got the guy. Thanks, Princess. We asked Miley Cyrus what she thought of the project, and here's what she had to say. Hey guys, it's me, Miley Cyrus, and I would like to talk to you about the Princess. It's a product that I just love. It made my hair perfect. I loved all the options on it. It did lead me to my perfect career. I have to say, it made me very happy, and it led to perfect hair, perfect career, perfect life. I loved it. You all love it. Go get it. It's perfect.